Welcome to Java Forum. I am going to show you how to check the operating system release version and details in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I am logging to terminal as a root user. So here is one file /etc /os-release. So this file will display all the details about your operating system release. Okay, so release version, release ID, platform ID, etc., etc. Pretty name of the operating system, full name of the operating, etc. So I am customizing this command using grep. So by grepping the details, you can use these details in your projects or in shell script, etc., etc. So that you can get the current release version and details. So this command will be useful for you. So this is the way you need to check the OS release version in CentOS Stream 9 operating system.